Ssc Cgl paper number 20 here. Then coming to question number 1. Now first one, it is based on mathematical science. Select the correct combination of mathematical science that sequentially and replace. Now let us start with the choice one here. Now first one here there is an equal to. Now 17 into 4, 68. Left hand side must be equals to 68. 104 divided by 12. Is it perfect multiple of this one? No. And that is ruled out. Then coming to the next one. Now this is into and divided by. 12 divided by 72. And 12 divided by 72 minus and this is plus. 17 plus 4, 21. Now finally this must be equals to how much? 3. Right hand side is 3 and left hand side is more than this one. Isn't it? Hence that's again ruled out. Choice 3. Now this is equal to 4. Then if this is equals to 4, 104. 104 divided by 12 into 72 and next one is so much and plus 24 and minus 17. Then what is the value here? 12 here, 12, 6. 104 into 6 itself is more than this one. And this is again ruled out. Finally choice 4 here. Now in choice 4, now 104 equals to. Then 104 equals to 12 into 72 and divided by 24 plus 17 and into 4. Now 24 ones, 24 threes. 12 into 3 is 76 and 12 into 3 36 plus how much? 68. Sum of these two 104. Choice 4 is the answer, question number 1. Then question number 2, it is based on sequence. How many elements are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 15. Now this 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 5 into 3. Then if you check out the first letter is A in all these one. Hence A is sir. ATU is also ATUPB. ATUPB, ATUPB and so on. Sarvena? ATUPB. And the letters that are missed out are UB, TP, AP. UB, TP, AP. Choice 2, question number 2. The next one, question number 3, in a certain code language, 416 and so on. Which of the following is the code for school dress looks beautiful? Now, school dress looks beautiful. Then what is your answer here? Now, school is important. School is important. Now, school children. Now, school is at the first place. Here also, school is at the first place. Isn't it? Now, wherever there is school, in the same place, 4 is also present. That means the word and the code are directly given. And the next one is important. Is important. And school children are good. Then school, what is the code for school here? School is 4 and a dress. And the code for dress is, dress school is important. School children are good, isn't it? Then next one, school dress looks beautiful. Now looks, what is the answer here for this one? Looks, looks 7. Now 4 should be the first element among the given choice. Only choice 2 is having 4 as the first. Then fourth one. Now in this question number 4, some tea or coffee. Now some tea or coffee can be written like this, tea and coffee, and some coffee or milk, and no milk is water, no intersection between milk and water. And first, some water can be tea. Some water can be means can stands for a possibility. Konta water tea a chance unda leda. Now this water, tell me whether I can able to bring this one or not. Yes, it is possible. Can stands for possible. All water can never be coffee. And the meaning and can never be. Can never be stands for can is possibility, never is not. That means here this is same as all water or coffee is not possible. That's what we mean by can never be. Can ante possible. Never means not. All water can never be coffee. And our water anta etti baslo coffee kaadu ani annadu. Then water anta coffee ayye chance unda ledela? Undi kada? For me it is possible. He is claiming that it is not possible. He is wrong. What is your answer here? Only one, that is choice 1, question number 4. Then coming to fifth one. Fifth one Japal answer. Now question number 5. 229. Why it is 229? All the given numbers are prime numbers starting with 199 in the ascending order. 199, 211, 223, 227. Next prime number 2. 227 is 229. Prime numbers. Question number 5. Then coming to question number 6. Then how is G related to? Then, now in this one, hash. Hash stands for daughter. Now, who is the daughter here? P has Q means Q is the daughter of P. Now they were in the reverse order. H has G means G is the daughter of H or H is the daughter? G is the daughter of H. H is here and G is the daughter of H. G is a female. And next one, G and I. And stands for what? And stands for P is the mother. G is the mother of I. Now this G is the mother of I. I at the rate of. I at the rate of means I is the husband of J. I is the husband of J. I and J are married couple. I is a male. J is a female. J and K. And K means J is the mother of K. Now this is what the information we have. And then how is G related to K? K's father's mother. Father's mother, grandmother, choice 3, question number 6. Then seventh one, P denotes addition and so on. S, where is this S? And S stands for division. 287 divided by 7. And Q is for multiplication. And R stands for what? R stands for subtraction. And S stands for, and S is division. And similarly, now S stands for division. And now P stands for addition. Now tell me what is the value of this one. First 287 divided by 7. How much is that? 41. Now 41 into 9 minus 117 divided by, and 78 divided by 6 is so much? 13. Now 117 divided by 13. 117 divided by 13, 9. Now the total value is 9. And plus 15. Now 41 into 9. And how much is that one? 369 plus 15. And those are 384 minus 9, 375, choice 3. Then question number 8. Now in this question number 8, we need to arrange all these according to a dictionary order. Now tell me which element comes first here. GE, now GEN comes first. And C is the first element. And next to C, GENO. All the next element C. And CD. After this CD, next one is what? Next one is B. And CDB. Now between A and E comes first, followed by A. CDB, choice 3, question number 8. Then ninth one, 4-letter cluster. Then G and I. G and I alternate plus 1, S plus 2, S to U plus 2, W and D, F and I. Then F and I, what is the difference here? Plus 3 and so on. Then I and R are opposite, isn't it? H and U are the opposite here? No. A and D. Then, answer third one. Why it is third? No. Now in this one, G and I, SHUB, WA, except in choice 3. And in the remaining, there are 2 vowels and 2. There is only 1 vowel and 3 consonants. But as in choice 3, there are 2 vowels and 2 consonants, choice 3. Then next one, question number 10. My 10th one, Japan, 25, 32. Any answer to this? 25, 32. Ma Japali. As 25, 32. Ma senior same per mere. Japan answer 25, 32. And 25 can be written as 25, 5 square. 25 is 5 square. And 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Ma sarpendra. That means now 2 power 5 is the next number. Ikadema 3 power 5. 35, 40, first digit is 3, second digit is 5. 3 power 5, 243. Now 5 and 3 are the digits. 5 is the first digit. And the second digit is raised to the first digit as power. 5 power 3, 125 choice. 25, first digit is 2, second digit is 5. And first digit, second digit is raised to the power of the first digit. Now in this 335. What is first digit? 3. And second digit 5, 3 power 5. And second one, 53. Now 5, and the second digit is 3, 5 power 3, 125. Saripenda? Then coming to question number 11. The total of 3 numbers is how much? 627. Second number is 4 times the first. First number is 4, second number is 4x. The third number is 6 times that of the first, and third number is 6x. And now the total of these 3 numbers is how much? 627. That means 4 plus 6, 11, x equals to 627. If 11x equals to 67, then x equals to how much? 57. And they get 57. Now the question is about the third number is 6 times. What will be the average of the second and the third? Second and the third is how much? 10x. X equals to 57, 10x equals to 570. Now average of this one divided by 2. Divided by 2, what is your answer here? 285 choice. Sarpendra 11th one. Then coming to question number 12. pointing to a boy in a photograph. Narayana said, he means that boy is my father-in-law. Father-in-law means, now whose father? Now Narayana's. Narayana is here. Narayana is having a wife, and wife's father. Narayana's wife is A, wife's father is B. My father-in-law is having a son that is none other than this Narayana's brother-in-law, wife's brother. Saripinda kada son. Now my father-in-law's only son is C, and C's nephew, and C's nephew is none other than Narayana's son. Now finally the person in the photograph is the son of this Narayana. Then how is that boy related to Narayana here? Son. Son, that is choice for question number 12. Now 13th one chesara. Now in 13, now 1 square. What is 1 square? 1. 52 plus 1 is 53. Now 4 square. How much is that? 16. 44 plus 16, 16. Now 5 square. 25. 26 plus 25, 51. 51, that is choice 3. 51 no, 15. Done? Now 51, it is choice 3, question number 13. Then coming to 14. Rung is to ladder. Yes, what is the relation between these two? Rung. What do you mean by this rung? Rung means, now ladder is like this. Ladder tells kada nichina. Now these are called rungs. Isn't it? That means the steps of a ladder is called as a rung. And in the same way, now twig. And twig is related to what? Tree. And for tree, this twig is the steps to go up. The next one, question number 15. How many persons are there? 8 persons. 8 persons are seated around a circular table. And in the same order, all these persons are in the same order in the clockwise direction. Then B is sitting in south. And so where should this be? Now B ekkada undali. B ikkada undali kada. Now B is facing like this. B is facing south. Makada B ekkada undali. B is facing south anada. B is at south anada. B is at south. Mari ikkada enduku avutadu B? Then B will be here. B is sitting at south direction. It is not given that B is facing towards south. If B is facing south, then B must be here. Appudu ikkada undali B. Then, hence B is facing, B is at south. Then from here onwards, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. Then the question is about southeast. Now this is south and east to southeast. And who is that person? A. A choice for question number 15. Now 16th one cheppali. And 51 is to 40. Any answer to this one? 51 is to 40. Now 51. What are the digits in 51? 5 and 1. Now 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. And next one. What is the other number here? 5 and 1. 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. Now 36 plus 4 is 40. Saripinda? 36 plus 4. Sum of the digits square is added to the difference between the digits. And similarly here again. Now 8 plus 1, 9 square. 9 square plus something should be added. It cannot be the number. And 20. Now 20 Japan 20, 2 plus 0. What is 2 plus 0? 4. 4 square is 16. Is added to what? Now 2 square and is added to, now 2 plus 0 is 4. Now 4 is added to what? 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 plus 2, 6, that is choice. Then 17th one. Now in this 17, it is based on coding and decoding direword. D-I-R-E-W-O-O-D. Now this direword is coded as ERID. ERID, the first 4 letters are written in the reverse order. And the last 4 letters, now they are also written in the reverse order. And in the same way, erection, E-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Now in this one, the first 4. What are the first 4? E-R-A-C. Reverse, C-A-R-E-K-L. T-I-O-N, N-O-I-T. Then what is your answer? Choice 2. Question number 17, choice 2. And 18th one. And Surya walked a distance of 12 meters towards east. A is the starting point. From here he walks 12 meters towards east. Then he turned left and walked 7 meters. And again turned left and walks how many meters? 5 meters. And now turning right, he walked for 8 meters. And finally turned left and walked for how many meters? 7 meters. Saripinda rhythm? 7. Horizontal 12 equals to 5 plus 7, 12. A is the starting point, B is the final. Then how far is he from the starting point, the distance? What is the distance? 8 plus 7. 15, choice 1, question number 18. Done? 19th one. Which day of, what day of the week was 20th February 1997? అమ్మ చేశారా? 20th February 1997 ఎలా చేశారు? Now we need to find out the day on which 20th February 1997. 1st January, 1st AD to 1996. Now during this 1996, how many odd days are there? ఎలా చేసాం? 1996. 1900 can be written as 400 into 4. 1600, 0 odd days. 1900, 1. Next 96. మనం ఎగ్జామ్లో చేసే పద్ధతి చెప్తా చూడండి. 1900, 1 odd day. 96 years were there. Now in these 96, how many leap years are there? 24. Okay, 96 divided by 4, 24. For every 4 years, a leap year. 96 plus 24, 120. Now 120 odd days. 120 divided by 7, 717, 57 sevens. The remainder is 1. Hence, in these 1996 years, there are only 2 odd days. Sarvena? Then 97 January 3 and February 20 means 20 divided by 7, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 gone. 3 plus 1, 4. Finally, 4 odd days. And 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday. Thursday choice. Am I follow here? Single line la ipola answer. Clear? Ma follow here inkosari cheppamantaru. మరి అది నేను అడిగితే చెప్పడం కాదు, మీరు అడగాలి. నేను రోజు కొత్త అది మళ్ళీ. దెన్ కమింగ్ డౌన్ టు దిస్. మొత్తం ప్రొసీజర్ రాస్తా చూడండి. నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ 20th February 20th and 1997. అంతే కదా? Now what is the year running now here? 1997. How many years were completed before this? 1996. Hence, 1st January 1st AD to 1996, first we need to count. 96 plus 1st Jan to 20th February 1997. Now these are the total number of on days. Then in this one, 1996, error squall. This can be written as 400 into 4, 1600, plus 300 into 1, 300, 1900. And 400 years will have 0 odd days. 300 years will have 1 odd day. Hence, these 400 years, that is 1600, will have 0 odd days. 400 into 4 plus 300 into 1, 1600, plus 96, plus this one. 400 years 0, 0 into 4, 0. 300 years will have 1 odd day. 1 into 1, 1. Then coming to this 96. Now during this 96, there are some leap years and non-leap years. How many leap years are there? 96. How to determine? For every 4 years, leap year. 96 divided by 4, 24 leap years. If there are 24 leap years, then how many non-leap years? 96 minus 24, 72 non-leap years. And then this one. Then coming back to this one, 0 into 4, 0, 1, and next one, a leap year will have 2 odd days. 24 means 24 into 2. How many? 48. Non-leap year, 1 odd day. 72 into 1, 72. Then plus this one. 11 kadadi. That is this date, ditto. Then 0 into 1, 0, 1, 48, plus 72. 48 plus 72, how much? Plus, now దీంట్లో చూడండి. Now in 2017, January, how many days? 31. How many odd days? 3. And February 20th, 20 means 6. Now these are the total number of odd days. 72 plus 48, 120. Plus 1, 121. Plus 3, 124. Plus 6, 130. Finally, from 1st January, 1st AD to 20th February 1997, how many are there? 130 odd days. 130 divided by 7. ఎన్నిసార్లు పోతుంది? 717. Then 60. 7 8 56. Finally, how many odd days? 4. అంతే కదా? 4 కదా మిగిలింది మనకి. Finally, if there is 1 odd day, that is Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 4 is Thursday. ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా అదే వచ్చిందా లేదా? Now just with a single line we could able to find out earlier. Now this is the original process of working out this. 2016 is the వెనక్కి అవుతుంది ఇంకా. Subtraction is always difficult when compared with addition. Then also you will get the same answer. No issue with that. Why? Because total number of days are same, constant. Now, అందుకే ఇంత ముందు చెప్పాను 1900, 96 plus 24 is so much? 96 plus 124. And 120 divided by 7. Ikkada vachestadi meeku. Directly you will get 1. 1 odd. Then 3 plus 6. Ayipindi mottham calculation. Clear? Then 20th. Then coming to question number 20, horse and mare. What is the relation between these two? Horse and mare. Horse and mare means now male and a female. And dog and a female, dog is a bitch. Choice for 20th. Then 21st. Now in this 21, now we need to find out the next one. Majapan, what is your answer in this case? 21st? Choice 4. Now we need to find out the next one here. Then, now if you check out this element. My element, this element is moving from here to this place. And this place, and what? As here. Whatever the element which is at the left hand side, top end, that is coming to the center. Saripenda leda? Now here this is at the top end, that is coming to the center. Now this is at the left topmost, that should be at the center. Among the given choice, that should be at the center, 2, 3 and 4. And out of it. Then coming to the next one. Element which is at the center, going to this corner. Element at this corner, going to this one. Element at this corner must be here. And triangle must be here, choice 4, these are ruled out. Saripenda? Then 22nd. Now in this question number 22, and choose the alternate which is closely the mirror image to this. Now tell me what is the mirror image here? Water image. Next, water image. Water image means from top to bottom. Top to bottom, now this is fine. And next, L is same, 1. Saripenda leda? And choice 1 is the answer. Water image from top to bottom. Then 23rd. Now in this 23, now we need to find out embedded figure. Now in which figure this has been embedded? Third option. Now from here we are going like this without rotation, isn't it? And then like this, coming down, again this one, and again moving like that. Choice 3, question number 23. Then 24th one, now in this question number 24, and choice 1. Now we need to complete the entire figure, isn't it? Now to complete the entire figure here, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 were there. Now we need to have 9 and 10. And at the same time, altogether we need to have 12. And 12 spokes out of this. Now this is half, another half will be added. Now this is half, another half will be added to this. And here there must be 2. Saripenda? Ekkadun cheppandi, choice 1 is the answer, 24. Then 25. Now in this 25, we need to find out Venn diagram. Now in this Venn diagram, humans, teacher, clerk, and a peon. Now teachers, clerks, and a peon, all these persons are human beings. And human beings, is there any relation among these three? These three are completely different. Now these are human beings. Now a teacher, a separate clerk, and a peon is different. Done with this? Answer choice 2, question number 25. And this is about paper number 20, reasoning.